Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today and having a look at this video to see what I have to say. I have something that I want to share with you concerning a business that I have started and that I am promoting, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about it and why I did that. 2020 with this COVID situation has really highlighted the need for coaching and mentoring. People seem to be really confused, and we are so bombarded by narratives and messages that come through from the media and from people around us, from people we're in relationships with, and it can be very confusing for a lot of people. And all the madness and all the stuff that's happened in 2020 has highlighted that. And even though it's 2021 now, it hasn't really stopped. As a matter of fact, the battle for our minds and our identity and for who controls us is still very strong and still alive. There's a lot of people out there who are so mixed up about stuff. There are young people, there are older people, and there are people in between who are living lives that are controlled by the thoughts and the demands and the standards of other people, or by the information that other people give, or the sort of triggers other people give in order to elicit certain emotions and feelings in them. And the reason they do this is because they want to control who you are. And we're not designed that way. We're designed to operate the best that we can with who we're made to be. And if we're not that, we have a lot of signals inside our emotions, inside our bodies, inside our minds that say, warning, warning, something's wrong, and something needs to be done about this. So the fight for identity, we naturally think that, when we grow up, a lot of us think that we're supposed to know who we are. It's supposed to just be so strong in us, and we're driven. We hear about people who are driven, who have talent and who know what they want. And many of us are really mixed up, where many people grow up in families who are dysfunctional and they're broken in terms of providing space or an incubation place where a person can develop who they really are, to learn how to maneuver the challenges that come along, how to recognize the things that they really want, how to go about it, and every time they proceed forth with that, what to do with the obstacles that come and the things that come along to prevent that. And many people are controlled by what their friends think, what their partners think, what their husbands and wives think, what their friends think, what their bosses think, what their colleagues think, and they're operating in ways that are contrary to who they really are inside. They get checks inside them, but they're so mixed up, and they don't really know how to live an authentic life and to be who they really are. And that's what my Extreme Esteem coaching and mentoring business is about. I want to help people to be able to journey through their life and to figure out who they really are, how to design who they really are and who they want to be, and how to make movement forward. So it's transformational coaching and mentoring, which is mainly directed by the person who is seeking this support. And then I share with them techniques and ways in which they can move forward. Many people want to live lives that are authentic, that are powerful, that are lively, that are impactful, that have some direction, and each one of us has something inside us that wants us to be better than where we are and who we are, and to really make an impact and take our place on this earth and do the work that we're supposed to do, or that we want to do, that we're made to do, or that we would thrive in doing. So I just wanted to let you know about this business that I have. If you know any friends that you think would benefit, I'd like to encourage you to share this video and the links with the people that you think may be interested in this, especially now. There's so many young mixed up people who end up wasting so much of their life being lost and being triggered by other people and being controlled by other people, because they don't really realize where the real power comes from. The thing is, each of us has everything that we really need within us to be able to cope with whatever comes, but we're lacking mentorship and coaching to know how to do that. Some of the most successful people, well, probably nearly all of the successful people on earth, are ones who have coaching and mentoring. You look at the football players and the sports people, they always have coaches. People who are on their side, who can see, without the emotion, what's going on, and they can share with them how to maneuver and to move forward. Some of the strategies they need to employ, some of the tactics, to know about the pitfalls and the traps that may be around them that they're unaware of, or that they're trapped in and have been doing and they keep doing all the time. So if you know anyone that you think might be interested, or you think this would be of benefit to someone that you're connected to in any way, shape or form, please share the link to this video and the information. Now, as a promotional offer, I'm offering 10% off the first session that people come to. That's not the consult session. I will be giving 10% off the consult session, as well as 10% off the first session. So if you are one of these people and that you would like to have a consultation with me to see if we're the right fit and if I'm the right person for you and that you're the right person for me, for us to walk and journey together in order for you to make some transformational change and move forward in your own being and in your own life and in your own impact on this earth, then I would recommend and suggest that you contact me by emailing me on extremeesteem@yahoo.com. This spelling is not the normal spelling that you would see the words extreme esteem, so I will put it in this video underneath here, the email link, so feel free to do that. And when you do that, I would like to ask you to put the promo REN, REN 10, which is you will get 10% off the consult, and then after the consult you will get 10% off the first session. In addition, I've got packages that are available. I am available as a public speaker as well, a motivational public speaker, and I've got coming up this year some workshops, so keep a lookout for that. So I'll be making another video very soon about the next workshop that I'm going to be doing. The first one that I'll be doing will be a free session, so feel free to register for that if you're interested to just check it out. And thank you very much for your time, and I hope I'll get to talk to you and be able to link up with you, and that we can journey together and go on this wild and crazy adventure. And look, you may as well suffer and have pain for the things that you really want, instead of have pain and suffer for things that you really don't want and have no control over. I know you can do it. And it's a very exciting adventure, especially when you have someone that's standing with you, that's walking you through it, and that's helping you to, that you're not doing it alone. And that's important, because many of us really are alone, or we feel alone, and we can't truly be who we really are and be vulnerable, so that we can negotiate the stuff and go through it. So, yeah. Thank you very much, and I look forward to talking to you and seeing you in the sessions and in the workshop. And thank you very much for checking this video out. Bye-bye.